Yo, I'm so happy. So I ordered from Love Thyself Rocks, and by the title, I done did something. My spirits done got in me and shit. My spirits done got in me. Yeah, from Love Thyself Rocks and all that jazz. I'm super duper excited to open this package. I wonder what's gonna happen. Okay, so basically Spirit has been bombarding me with signs. Like, I'm gonna make a whole separate video about the signs that I got to get this, but they're bombarding me with signs, like literally bombarding me. And it was like, oh, if you don't buy this stone, you're gonna have slow cash flow until you get it. And I was like, oh, why y'all doing me like this? So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and get it. Let me just go ahead and get it. Make y'all happy, make myself happy. And let's get it. The smell of it, I can already smell lavender. I could just smell lavender, and I'm like, yay. Let's get into it. Lavender has been used for centuries to aid with mental health, anxiety, stress, insomnia, depression, headaches, toothaches. Oh, really? I didn't know about that one. Acne and skin irritation. I didn't expect it to be long, but yes, this is my piece of Moldavite. And yes, that shit is $40, like on me, bruh. Like on me, swear to God, that shit sold out as soon as I bought it. What else is in here? We have a Loving Thyself. We have a Moldavite card. I'm probably gonna put these in my sketchbook. Heart and third eye and crown chakra, stone of transformation and manifestation, removes fears and doubts. Extremely powerful and is known to give you an energetic flush. Helps those who struggle with asthma, allergies, or rashes. Affirmation: I am always manifesting abundance and prosperity into my life, which I write often. Another Loving Thyself Rocks card. And just a thank you. Thank you for ordering from Loving Thyself Rocks. At LTR, we are more than just a crystal shop. We also embody self-love and loving thyself unconditionally. When was the last time you said, I love myself? Many physical and health problems stem from self-hatred, self-abandonment, and self-betrayal. Even if you feel as if you do love yourself, it is always important to say it out loud. We challenge you to start loving yourself by taking our 30-day self-love challenge. Because Loving Thyself Rocks. Hey, begin each morning by looking yourself in the eyes through a mirror and verbally saying, I should do this more often. I love you. Out loud. Repeat 10 times each morning for 30 days and watch your mind and body begin to feel unconditionally loved. Already have a card of or completed the challenge? Pass this card along to a friend, loved one, or even a stranger and challenge them to, it's a glare on it, to love themselves unconditionally. Cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that. Yay. But yeah, let's get into wrapping this bad boy. It just feels light. Like, I can't explain it. It's not, people say they feel it and they feel like, okay, I feel something from, I feel slight, like it's heating up my hand a little bit, but it's nothing too intense. But yeah, BRB, we gonna cleanse this bad boy and all that, and then we gonna get to wrapping it. I rinsed it off and stuff and prayed over it, so I'm about to cleanse it with some Palo Santo. I guess we can get into it. Like, I'm so excited. Okay. Should I wear it this way or this way? Alright, so this looks like this right now. Oops, double knotted on the back and up top right here. So I'm just wrapping it one more time, right? And I'm gonna take it and wrap them both around each other like this. Y'all, I'm just you know, winging it, and we just seeing what's gonna happen with me winging it. All right, see that I double knotted it, and I'm pushing it down so that the knots can go down like this. Spirit told me to wear it, what was I saying, Laura? I'm a Gemini, y'all. Spirit told me to wear it sideways, which I'm just like, okay, whatever you want. All right, you know, I'm just pulling it tighter so we can tighten this bad boy up a little bit more. And it looks like this. And I think that's all I need, is it not? It looks good, I like it. Hold on, we finna check. So I'm finna try to wrap it around my neck, and then I'm finna come back and see if I like it. I like it. I like it. Peace. So real nigga just caught 7-Eleven on the wrong clock after I finished this. So boop. I really didn't want to put my face in this video, but look, y'all. You know what? Whatever. My face is just gonna be in the video. Okay. All right. But okay, so I had to take this off, and untied it and made it tighter, and made this one and I made this one like looser. So yeah. Yes, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I really did that, and it was super easy. And like, you know, if I ever have to take this off completely, because this is like my lucky luck, I'm just gonna buy more cord and make this into something, because I have to have this with me. Like, I don't know, I just have to have this with me. But yeah, I'm so excited. Let me stop. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be giving y'all updates and stuff on how this worked out and all this shit. Okay. And I just want to let y'all know. But yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below too. So thank you for watching.